Today we're going to work on some blends, okay? So here we have it. Alrighty, we have two missing beginning sounds. Now we've been talking about blending sounds, two letters together, making one sound. Okay, what two letters do we hear at the beginning of each of these words? Okay, that's what we're trying to figure out. And they give us options on the side there. All right, so we're gonna go to the first picture up there, and that's a picture of trash. 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 What two letters make the beginning sound in trash? Okay, is it TR, BR, or CL? The next picture is of a dryer. 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 What is the beginning sound of dryer? TR, BL, or DR? All right, the next picture is of a flower. 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 What is the beginning sound of flower? Is it BL, FL, or CL? The next picture is of a frog. 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 What is the beginning sound? PR or FR? Frog. The next picture is of grass. 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 What are the two sounds that are missing? ST, GR, or DR? The next picture is the word slope. 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 Is it ST, SL, or CL? The next word is spoke. 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 Is it SC, TR, or SP? The next word is plant. 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 Is it BL, PL, or CR? The next picture is of a blender. 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 Is it a BL, a CL, or a PL? And the last picture is of a stove. 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 Is it ST, SC, or CR? Go ahead and listen and do your best unto God.